Welcome to Weston Road, the historic core of Weston, the former home of notable personalities like Drake and Mikey Bustos.
I'm like, Mommy, I'm not gonna stop till...
But we will not stalk their houses in this video yet. Instead, we will cover a small stretch of the road spanning from Denison Road to King Street. Part 1 features our visit to a church, which I have mistakenly tagged as and a visit to an optical shop where I had my eyes checked. Part 2 was when I went back to the optical shop to get my new lenses, but since I went there alone, I had an opportunity to explore a little bit. I went to the historic public library, Dollarama, and was also able to have a side trip to Humber River, where I discovered this beautiful bridge. Before I reveal what happened, please don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. Bang road to? Denison.
Diretso lang yan.
Denison Road East.
Butang Weston.
So, welcome to our walking tour from James Street along Denison Road East. Tama ba? Denison Road East? Papuntang Weston Road. And from Weston Road, kakanan tayo papunta sa One Plus Optical, ang ating final destination for today. Hindi man final destination, parang nakakatakot naman yung final destination. So medyo challenging tong route na to kasi may pababa at paakyat. It's one of the three routes na pwede nating tahakin papunta doon. The other one is ito yung paakyat doon sa bridge na yan. Pag inakyat mo yan, then pagbaba, and then Weston Road na yon, then dire-diretso, pero mas malayo yon. Ito yung shortcut to, and yung kabilang, yung third route is yung Lawrence Avenue naman, which is also longer. So essentially ito yung pinaka mabilis na route. Ngayon pababa na tayo, and tingnan natin kung kakayanan natin yung paakyat. Okay, medyo mabilis. Naalala ko nung nilakad namin si Coco dito ni Ate Soli, hingal na hingal si Coco. Punta kami ng Freshco. Pag nagbabike din ako dito yung route ako. Nakapag-bike na ba ako dito? Hindi pa pala ako nakapag-bike dito. Pero yung sa kabila, nung nagpunta ako ng library, may ganito rin na palusong Mula dun sa Industry Road. Pagod din siya pababa. Tapos paakyat. Ayan na, Weston Road na yun, di ba? Tama ba? Yan, pag-ahon natin, Weston Road na yan. Dito na ako ng aking sports watch. Ito din natin malalaman kung ilang calories ang mababurn natin. Ha? Daanan natin yung Go Station. Kapagod. Teka lang. Tapos nadadaanan yata natin dito yung parang weird na simbahan. May nakalagay na kulto.
No, that's Tawahido Church.
Ha? Doon pa ba yon?
Dito.
Hindi.
Hanap yung Tawahido.
Dito yon, dito pa. Yung nakalagay na kulto. Parang Portuguese yata yun na church. Teka. Okay na tayo. Teka, stop muna natin para makapagpahinga. So, naabot natin ang Weston Road. Ito na yung Go Station, di ba?
Yeah.
So we are approaching Go Station. And ito yung sasakyan mo kung gusto mo makapunta ng Scarborough, for example, ng mabilis. Tama ba? Yan.
Oshawa, Ajax.
Oshawa, Ajax, gusto mo maglaba. So ito yung green. Yung green na train, yan ang Go trains.
Punta ng Mississauga.
Yan, kung gusto mo ng
Oakville.
malayo ang
Niagara
biyahe,
Falls.
mabilis, Niagara Falls, pwede rin dyan sumakay. Papalapit na tayo sa, hindi ko alam kung kulto talaga siya, pero yun na kasi nababasa ko na hindi kasi siya English.
Baptist Church. Yan, di ba?
Oo.
Baptist Church yan.
So, no offense man kung hindi man siya kulto talaga. Yun lang, kasi yun sa akin nababasa. Pero tingnan natin. Natadaanan lang kasi lagi ito na nakasasakyan. Pero this will be the first time na tayo. Titingnan natin siya ng malapitan kung ano talaga siya. Oh, it's a Baptist church. So hindi ito. Hindi pala ito.
Baka yung nandun sa simbahan na isa pa.
Yung isa pa.
Doon.
Sorry naman, Baptist church pala to. Yan. Weston Park Baptist Church. Ay, ito. Ito yung Cultos M. Portugues. Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Portuguese culture.
Ah, culture.
Yeah.
Culture
Portuguese.
pala. Hindi kulto.
Portuguese
Okay.
Baptist.
Sorry. Nababother talaga ako pag nakikita. Cultus. So, culture yon.
Yeah.
Sure yan, ha?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry naman. Culture palang ibig sabihin, hindi kulto.
May naman pag-apit na, no?
The Empress Hair Design. Mga pagupitan, convenience store, fashion store. Ito na, di ba? Dito na yun eh. Lawrence and Weston intersection. Ito yung sinasabi ko na pwede nating daanan. Pag diniretso mo yan, nandiyan na yung Wendy's. Yung kinakainan namin after church. Wendy's, Dollarama. Parang mas magandang daanan to, no? Mas maigsi. Mas maigsing daanan nito. Yung Weston Road. Kaya if ever na pupunta ulit dito from church doon, pag uwian dito na lang tayo. Okay, sign. Ito na, OnePlus Optical. Maaga pa.
Kaya diretso muna tayo.
So pwedeng kumain muna tayo. Or baka tanongin natin kung pwedeng baka available na sila yung doctor. Do not lock the door. I have an appointment at 3 o'clock. I'm just wondering if you could see me now. Okay, thank you. If you could see me. Hi. I have a 3 o'clock appointment, but Mark for me.
From you?
Yeah.
Okay. The appointment for you or for your mom? No.
It's for me. For me. Yeah. She's my wife. She's not.
Sorry.
Yeah, we came early, so we were just wondering if. What's up mga ka-Earthlings? Welcome to another day, another gala. For today, ay pupuntahan natin ang ating salamin na pinagawa na nagkakahalaga ng umabot ng magkano? 300? Oh my God, 305 Canadian dollars. Napakamahal, no? At para sa isang pares ng salamin, dahil kasi sa aking pagiging careless, ay nawala ko yung aking salamin na dala-dala dito sa Canada. At story kasi niyan ay Hi. I'm here to get my glasses.
Pick up?
Yeah.
What's your last name?
Alcantara.
A-L?
Alcantara.
Okay.
So, Mark,
Yep.
so these are your original lenses back,
Okay.
and these are your distance.
Nice.
Try them on.
Since nandito na rin naman tayo, explore na rin natin tong area. So, bukod sa optical shop, sa nakita natin, meron ditong mga money exchange, like convenience stores, coffee shop. There's Dollarama over there sa Gawidon. Yun. Meron ditong RBC, may Popeyes, merong ano pa, merong Tim Hortons. Sa Gawidon nandun yung library. Punta tayo sa library. Medyo creepy yung library na to. Toronto Public Library. Medyo creepy siya. Tapos katabi pa niya ay funeraria. Kaya dobleng creepy. Puntahan na natin dahil dito na rin tayo. And maybe we could borrow some books. That's all. This is actually a busy section. We are along Weston Road at maraming commercial. This is a commercial block, I should say. I feel na mas ano pa to, mas maraming establishments dito kumpara sa Jane Street. Ito na yung Popeyes. Merong Shoppers over there. Oo, mas kumbaga parang mas maunlad, mas vibrant yung ano na to, itong lugar na to. Osmos is the modern Mediterranean cuisine. Dito kami kumain dati ng shawarma. Okay naman ang shawarma dito. Ang Shoppers. Ito na yung it's a church. This is a church, Central United Church. At katabi nito ang Toronto Public Library. Meron dito sa tapat niya, tapat ng church, merong funeral parlor. And then it's also part of that Ward funeral home. So meron dito, meron din dito. So, ito yung library na sinasabi ko sa inyo na medyo creepy. Yan. Yan naman natin dito habang naghihintay tayo ng dito na siguro tayo tumawid. Ready na ba kayo? So we're now at the Weston Public Library, incorporated in 1858 and erected in 1914. So I think at the beginning ito muna yung Weston Public Library, and then eventually naging part na siya ng Toronto Public Library. Ayan, tanggalin natin ang ating microphone para hindi tayo masyadong obvious. At of course, hindi naman tayo pwede magsalita sa loob. Kaya, i-off na lang natin. Nakakatuwa naman to, meron sila ditong message for Pope Francis. Thank you, Pope Francis. Your contributions will not be forgotten. And this is coming from Central United Church. Okay, mula dito sa Bellevue Street ay naging curious ako at parang feeling ko matatanaw na natin ng Humber River dito sa part na to. Ngayon, meron ditong tennis, York Weston Tennis Club. And on this road, it's like a private property, so hindi tayo makadaan dyan. Pero merong trail tayo nakikita doon sa part na yon. So tingnan natin kung saan tayo dadalhin ng trail na yon at kung hindi tayo babalik dito. Sana wag naman. No winter maintenance. May coyote pala dito. Coyote. Hello, is there a way here to the Humber River?
Yeah, this is Humber.
And it can go all the way there?
You can go here, sir. You know, I'm waiting for my son, the sports.
Oh yeah?
You can
But
go.
this side I can
Yeah,
go,
yeah,
right?
you can
Okay.
go there, yeah.
Thank you so much. Sabi niya. Let's see. Oh my God, this is such an adventure. Ang hope natin is makarating tayo dun sa pakaakyat tayo ulit dun sa Denison Road kasi yun ang road na pinakamalapit. Dahil kung hindi, ang mangyayari sa atin ay pupunta tayo ng Etobicoke, or no, not Etobicoke, but Eglinton Road. Dahil yun yung nakita ko sa mapa na malapit. But to be safe, tingnan natin ang mapa natin. So dito tayo ngayon at pag diniretso natin to, makita natin yung Raymore Bridge. Oh, mukhang maganda yun ah. Tingnan natin. But pagka ano natin ng tag dito, pagbaba natin dun sa steps na yon, merong warning about coyote. Huwag daw nating i-feed. Sana huwag tayo makakita ng coyote. Kay map na lang natin yung bahay. Direction, walking, 30 minutes. Pinapabalik niya ako. Pero subukan natin kung wag natin susundin yung trail. O natatanaw ko na yung bridge. Yung Raymore Bridge, ang ganda. Raymore Bridge, ladies and gentlemen. Ang ganda ng Humber River. Sige, tawid muna tayo bago natin ipakita yung pinaka-river. Okay, so this is the Raymore Park. Hindi na tayo dadaan dito kasi we will just stay on this side dahil baka hindi na tayo makatawid mamaya. Hindi tayo sa side na to. So, syempre, kung ito na lang yung makikita nating bridge along the way, okay na. Masaya na rin ako. And let's just try to explore a little further. Saan ba yun? Anong direction? Okay. East. East side. Tingnan natin kung tayo ay makakalusot dito. Okay? Medyo kinakabahan ako. Oh my God. Wala pa naman tayong kasama. May mga homeless dito. Yung mga tento. Sabihin, may mga homeless dito na papalipas ng dito na sila nakatira. Sobrang ingat tayo dahil tayo walang kasama. Bakit natin dito? So pwede kang continuous sa track na to. Pero feeling ko hindi ito yung trail. Dahil masyadong delikado. I guess yung kabila, yun yung kabila yung trail ng pang bicycle. Pero tingnan natin kung meron pang bridge dito or baka malapit tayo sa waterfalls. Pero sabi dito, pag diniretso natin, makita tayo dito, pwede tayo maka-exit. So I guess to be safe, yun na lang gawin natin. But selfie muna tayo. Okay, now we're back. Buti na lang, medyo kinabahan ako doon dahil baka ang ending nito ay babalik tayo doon sa Bellevue. But we are now at Wilby Crescent, I guess. Yun yung street name. Well, that's a little adventure for us. Not bad. On our next video, we will really go to the Humber River Trail and isipin ko pa kung magbabike tayo or maglalakad. Because I feel na pag naglakad ka kasi, pag nag-hike ka, you have more flexibility. Although, pag nag-bike ka, mas marami ka mako-cover na area and mas mahaba yung mako-cover mo na trail. But, pag naka-bike ka kasi, hindi ko kabisado yung terrain eh. Tingnan natin. Depende sa mood. I guess what I'm gonna do is magkaroon man tayo ng parang not reconnaissance but like a survey. I-inspect muna natin kung ano yung mga access points, how accessible, at kung kakayanin ko ba pag bike tayo. Kasi sanay lang tayo mostly on city biking, road biking, but not on like such terrains. At kung mag-isa ka lang, hindi maganda dahil kung may mangyari sa'yo at mas stuck or something. Yeah. Anyway, tingnan natin.
There you have it, guys. If you've enjoyed our trip today, please let me know in the comments. And if you haven't done it yet,
please hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. Thank you, be safe, and God bless.